Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we got another review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay. As you can tell from the box, it is a Jumpman. So let's open the box and see which one it is. There we are. There we go. As you can see, it is a Jordan 1 low. There we go. So as you can see, today we have the Jordan 1 low. I don't really like these shoes. They look ugly to me. They look ugly. But I got this one because I thought it looked okay. Like you can wear this one every day and beat them up, and it's a good quality on this one. So if we start off from the bottom, we have the nice black outsole with a nice white. So these are like the reverse spreads. You see the color, it's got some good quality leather. As you can see, the thick, the back, you got the embroidery Air Jordan sign. And the insole, you got the Jumpman. This is the other side. It's the nice quality leather again. And the tongue is the thing I hate about these Jordan lows. They should make these Jordan lows like, you know, the Jordan low SB ones. These ones look nice, but these ones look ugly with these tongues. I hate that one. You see how the Travis Scott lows are? They are nice because they have the small tongue, not this ginormous tongue. I don't like this ginormous tongue. And it's got the little embroidered Jumpman. So yeah, this is still a good one, you know, for a regular everyday shoe. It's not got the hype, so you can just wear it, you know, like a regular everyday shoe. I will show you how both of them look like. There we go. They look actually okay. You can wear them on an everyday regular shoe. I give you a quick on hand shot how they will look with some socks on. There you go. This is how you will look if you walk off this with some blue socks. You can just moonwalk on them, moonwalk. As always, guys, I don't have the budget to do a on hand shot, but yes, all in all, these are a very nice shoe. I believe they are £95. They are maybe out of stock now. I picked them up from a local shop here. They were like a GR release. They might be out of stock now, but you still might be able to find them if you have a look. Just make sure you type in Jordan 1 low reverse bread or gym red colorway, and they should come up hopefully. They don't really have any resale, so you can buy them from like eBay, StockX, Zimbabwe online. You should find this online. Okay guys, if you like the video, I'm going to do some more shoe reviews, and as always, I'm going to catch you on the next one. Belly.